Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to make a video saying I fixed what I thought I messed up. So I went back to where we have 30 single crochets, and then from round 7 to 14 it's single crochet in every stitch till the end of the round. When we get to round 15, we're going to single crochet in the first 3 and decrease with the next 2 and continue that all the way around. For the next round, we're going to single crochet in each stitch to the end of the round. For the next round, we'll single crochet 2 and decrease with the next 2 stitches and continue that all the way around. Don't forget to stuff When we get to round 16, we're going to single crochet in the first stitch of the previous round and decrease with the next 2 and continue that all the way around. For the last round of the body, we're going to decrease all around. Then we will finish off and sew everything together. For the backpack, we're going to chain 7 and single crochet in the second stitch from the hook until the end, and then we'll chain 1 and single crochet in that last row, and we'll repeat that one more time. When we're done, we're going to chain 1 and all around single crochet in the back loop only. For the glasses, we will make a chain of 7, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and continue that to the end of the row, and then turn, and do the same to the other side. So you should have an oval. You will place your stitch marker on the last single crochet. And then on the second round, we'll single crochet 1 in the first stitch of the previous round and increase in the next stitch. And we will continue that all the way around. And for the third round, we're going to single crochet in the back loop only all around. And then in the last round, we're going to single crochet in both loops all around. We will finish off and then we will sew the glasses onto his face or his body. And I'm not sure if they're glasses, if they're visors, if they're his eyes. I've never actually played Among Us. I just know that they are called pill people because that's what my sister told me. Before we finish sewing, we have to stuff it a little bit so that it doesn't look flat. The same goes for the backpack. This is what he should look like. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please comment, like, and subscribe.